Are you tired of being denied for loans, mortgages, and credit cards because of your credit score? Introducing Revenue Financial, your trusted partner in achieving financial freedom. With our DIY credit solution, you can take control of your credit score from the comfort of your own home. Our 24-hour inquiry removal service ensures that unfair inquiries are swiftly removed from your credit report, giving you a clean slate to work with. But that's not all. Gain access to our exclusive funding secrets and unlock the doors to financial opportunities you never thought possible. Discover our secret lender list, carefully curated to connect you with lenders who understand your unique financial situation. Ready to take control of your financial future? Learn how to create an LLC and separate your personal and business finances. And for those looking to expand their businesses, our Business Credit Blueprint provides a step-by-step guide to building credit for your company. Don't let bad credit hold you back any longer. Join Revenue Financial today and unlock the path to financial success. Revenue Financial, empowering you to achieve your financial goals.